Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we are doing house hunting here in Naka, and I want to show you a virtual tour of our two bedrooms, two new bedrooms. Let me show you how they look. Those ones over there, that one. So I'm heading there. So let's guys. This is Naka, the downside area ya Naka. We have very many new houses, apartments, name them. You see, like these ones here, this one here. It's a new one also.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, to start again.
So guys, on these units we have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units. So we are going to start with these 2 bedroom units. We are going to have a tour of these 2 bedroom units, and then we are going to have a 1 bedroom unit.
They said, don't fall, don't forget.
So guys, for this particular 2 bedroom that we are touring, it's a master en suite, and it has a good view of Lake Nakuru from this particular point. As you can see, that is Lake Nakuru, and it's going for 30,000 Kenyan shillings, and it's a 2 bedroom and it's a master en suite. The bedrooms are so huge, as you can see in this particular. So this is a bedroom that is master en suite. And so guys, I think this is the last part of these 2-bedroom units, and now we head over to the 1-bedroom unit, still in the same building, as you can see. So these 1-bedroom units are pretty similar to the 2-bedroom units, only that they are 1 bedroom. And remember, this 1 bedroom, I've said they are going for 20,000 shillings, and all of them are located in Naka. So the location of this particular building is in Naka, in Nakuru city, on the lower side of Naka. So yeah, this is a brand new property here in Naka, and they have 2-bedroom and 1-bedrooms. There are so many of them right now. They are not yet occupied. They are doing some finishing on the electricity. So yeah, you can book yours as early as now. So thank you so much guys for watching. This is Masinjeri. If you love this kind of content, you can subscribe for more.